Hello everyone, welcome to Geek and Mag. In this video, I am going to show you how to reset password in Roblox. To achieve this, open web browser either on PC or Mac. You can do this on smartphone as well. In the browser, you need to visit www.roblox.com/login and hit enter. I will add the link in the description. On the Roblox login screen, head over to form and locate forget password and username and click on the link. Next, you will see Roblox account recovery form. Head over to this field. Here you can reset via three options: username, email and mobile number. If you know the username of the account, then enter and click next and you will receive a code on the email or mobile that you need to enter in the next step. In case you don't know the username, then directly enter the email or phone number. If you enter the email, then you will receive the code on the email linked to account. And if you enter the phone number, then you will receive the code on the phone number. I will enter the email and click next. Now you will receive the 6-digit code on the email. Open the email service provider. In my case, it's Gmail. You will see the email like this. Copy the code from the email and paste it here. Keep in mind you have 30 seconds to do this, so make it quick. You will see this form. Here you need to enter the new password and confirm the same. Make sure not to use the old password. Also, if you have set up the two-step verification, then you need to enter the code that you received either on the email, phone or an authenticator app. At last, click update password and password will be reset and you will be redirected to the Roblox home screen. And that's all about this video. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.